Welcome to the month of November. This is the month that is inviting us to slow down, realign, and prepare for powerful manifestation as we come to the end of the year. As you know, November is 11th month, and 11 is the number of alignment, awakening, and even intuition. This month carries the frequency of 1111, which means that you are exactly where you're supposed to be. And all we know is that one, it's an indication of an end of a cycle and a beginning of another cycle. So when you take your time to slow down and you allow yourself to align with whatever that you desire, universe got no option than to deliver whatever you so desire. Even at the end of the year is coming. Sometimes you may be feeling like you had so many things that you had set at the beginning of the year, and here we are, and the year is going to end. Do you know the universe does not work with our time? It's all about aligning with exactly what you want. Time is just an illusion when it comes to this manifestation, or to us people that actually practice the law of attraction. God has a way of giving us exactly what we want. And the good book always says that sometimes we don't understand what is happening, but God is always working behind the scenes to ensure at the right time He gives to you exactly what your heart desire and what you're in alignment with. Also, the month of November, it all comes with reflection and transformation. Sometimes you may realize some of the old habits are kind of coming up. They're not here to slow you down, or they're not here to throw you out of proportion. It's just a way to let you know what you need to do away with and what you're supposed to align yourself with. This is the time that you are supposed to let go of whatever no longer serves you before stepping into a blood new energetic cycle. So basically what I'm trying to say is that this month of November, it's just whispering to you to slow down, breathe, and trust the process. If you see me looking down, it's because I usually do research on exactly what I'm talking about, because I don't want to miss any crucial point. So this month is not for rushing, it's a month for just allowing. This is just a month whereby you're supposed to step down, step back, slow down, ask yourself, what do you want? What do you want to become? Yes, the year is coming to an end, but what does that mean for you? It does not mean that no, you need to like throw in the towel. And one thing I have to put out there is that when it comes to this manifestation journey, it's all about energy. It's not about action. And if at all you have to take an action, let it be an inspired action, not just because you just feel like you're left out. You start now try running and starting a business that you're not in alignment with. And most of the time, this is where you find yourself settling less for what you deserve. And with this, it brings a lot of conflict within yourself. It brings a lot of negative emotions about yourself. It starts affecting the relationships that are around you. So one thing you have to realize is that in this month of November, take a back seat, align with your desires, go slow, relax, and know that everything is working out for your good. Trust the process. Also, this month of November is where we are embracing, we are going for gratitude. When you are thankful, more of whatever you are thankful for coming, either the same or even in a better way. So this month is the month of being thankful. Look for an affirmation. I am grateful for this. I am grateful. Even whatever have not yet manifested and you really want it to manifest, be grateful about it way before it manifests. And trust you me, the universe is whispering to you, relax, I got you. You can come up with some of the affirmation like, I am aligned with the divine timing. Everything I desire is always on its way to me. But if at all you're just doing this as mere words, where your energy is this way and your words are this way, trust you me, it's just going to make you frustrated because your desire is going to take longer than it's supposed to be. So as much as you're doing affirmations, ensure that you are affirming inside the alignment, inside the energy. So basically, in this month of November, you might feel drawn to rest more, being in the nature, reflect on your journey so far. And if at all you have had so many challenges in this 2025, this is the best time to take back a seat. This is the time to reflect, and if at all it is possible, which is possible, you can shift the positive from the negative everything that you have gone through in this year, this is the month for you to take a rest. Because November has a way, it's coming with the sense of healing, it's coming with a sense of purpose. So it is up to you. Everything actually, it's all about us. If at all you're feeling frustrated, if at all your desires are taking forever to come, it only means that you are the one who is hindering yourself from living a fulfilled life. It all starts from here. You change your here, and then outerwards, it always changes. So if you reflect on the positive things that have happened in your life, most of the time we are always like, when we have like 9 things are working in our lives, and then there is one thing that is not working in our life, we have the tendency of reflecting on this one thing. And yet, if at all we can concentrate on the 9 things that have already happened, or even vice versa, one thing is working and 9 things are not working. If you can concentrate on this thing, one thing that has already worked in your life, you may be surprised how it's going to pull the other 9 things into you. And if at all you reflect, you are going to be amazed how much you have fulfilled, how much you have achieved in 2025. So my dear, about Elohe, it's all about being gratitude, it's all about being grateful, it's all about allowing yourself to see the best in each and every situation, and always say that even this shall pass, or even this will still work out. So in this month of November, I don't want to do a long video because we are all talking about November being the restful. It's been going slow, and also been preparing ourselves for what manifesting. So some of the have like 4 ways that you can do to align with the month of November. Number 1 is journal for clarity. Ask yourself, what am I ready to release before the year ends? What have I learned that I am grateful for? Who am I becoming? Journal all these things. One thing I came to realize with the universe is that you have to be very clear on what you want. Don't give split energy. If you do, the universe will not know exactly what to deliver to you. But if at all you can perceive it so clearly in your mind, also taking another step by journaling it down. I have manifested so many things when it comes to writing it down. In the morning, I write how I want my day to be. I can write for a week, I can write for a month, I can write for a year. Like just the other day, I went and I took where I wrote things I wanted to manifest at the beginning of this year, the things that I wanted to manifest this year. Oof. I believe I wrote almost like 15 things, and I can say I'm only missing 2 things. And I know that the year is not yet ended. There is a possibility. I'm more than sure that is going to come to manifest. The other 2 is that gratitude ritual. Every morning, say thank you for one thing that hasn't manifested yet. That tells the universe you already believe in yours. Let me tell you something. Like I said, time is just an illusion. Yeah? When you are grateful for something that is yet to manifest, the universe does not understand whether it has manifested or not. Your mind does not know the difference. So if at all you are grateful for something, the universe will pull strings behind you. It will work over time to ensure that it has given unto you. It cannot tell that you want a car, and if at all you are reliving your life, it's like you have already manifested that car. The universe will deliver it, because it does not. Your mind cannot differentiate about real time and when you are expecting it and when it has manifested. So you have to give out that energy for it to be filled back to you. Simple. Number 3 is visualizing or scripting. Spend 5 times each night imagining your ideal December or New Year. Feel it as though it's happening now. There is a video I'm going to do about it. It's all about manifesting when you are sleeping. It's mostly it was the teachings of Neville Goddard. It's more of when you are sliding to sleep. Slide to sleep knowing that having your wish fulfilled. If at all it is that car that you want so much, imagine that you're already driving it. Feel as vivid and as clear as you are going to feel when the car is already fulfilled. When you drift into that energy, throughout the night is going to go on, and even when you wake up in the morning, you are going to wake up from that vibrational level, right? So this is now how it's so easy. By the way, I don't speak things that I have not practiced. These are some of the things that I have practiced and they're working for me. And I have so much confidence when I'm giving it out there. So every night, visualize how you want your 2026 is going to be, how your December is going to be, even your tomorrow, how you want it to be. And you are going to be surprised how much of an energy, how much of a powerful creator that you are. Number 4, release ceremony. Write down what you're ready to let go of and burn or safely dispose of that paper as a symbol of renewal. Write whatever, be ready to let go of whatever is not serving you. Is it your mindset? Is it the way your morning routines? Is it the way you speak? Is it the way you handle things? The little or the much money that you have been given, have you been abusing it? Why do you give out? These are some of the things that you have to come up with, the things that are not helping. Like, not for me, I really had to work hard towards being on social media throughout. Also, I learned that I don't need motivation for me to shoot a video or to do whatever I'm supposed to be doing. I am supposed to be disciplined. These are some of the things that you have to look deep within you, things that are not serving you, and look for a way to do away with them. And the last one, I can see this one I'm adding, it is not here, is that learn to follow the prompted action. This is where most of us, we trip. We feel something deep within us. We're supposed to be doing it, and yet it's an inspiration of something that we are supposed to do, and we are actually not doing it. So this is where now, when you feel like you're supposed to do something that was not even in your mindset, you take that action. You never know where it's going to lead. On my subsequent videos, I'm going to go on explaining on each and everything pertaining to law of attraction. I've been practicing law of attraction close to 8 years, and my life has dramatically changed. It is the law. Nobody is above the law. So it's up to you. So as we move along to the month of November, just know that you are co-creating with the universe. You're not behind, you're not all the way, you are exactly where you're supposed to be. And if at all you can be active, and if at all you can be so awakened, you may be surprised where this month of November is going to take you. What I am going with the whole of November is that I always repeat every morning, I release what no longer serves me. I trust divine timing. I am open to receive abundance in every form. This is the energy. This is the power. This is what you are supposed to, repeat it as much as you can. And as much as you can, ensure that you are in alignment with your desire. So if this message resonates with you, I hope that you are going to be in aligned. I hope that you're going to take it slow, trust the process, and know that everything is working out for your good. The universe loves us so much to leave us all like that in the wilderness. Every step of the way, look back and see where you have come from and be grateful. As you log off and as I log off, don't leave without subscribing, sharing, and liking. Until next time, namaste.